Hi, welcome back. This is just an update on the Ryzen 7 that I purchased. If you've seen my last video, I paid 25 € for this Ryzen. Now, the seller said it won't boot any operating system, and as you can see here, it just crashes when it tries to load Windows. So basically, if I upload, or if I load into the BIOS here, I've tried overclocking it. I've tried upping the voltage and nothing worked. Now, the only thing that did actually work for this was, I'll show you here now. If I go to overclock settings, and basically like lowering the core voltage or lowering the cores on it is the only thing that actually worked. So if we go to advanced CPU configuration here and then go to AMD CBS. Now I've tried setting it to then you have to go down here to down core control. I have tried it on 6 3+3, it didn't work. I've tried 2+2, nothing worked. Now the only thing that will make this boot is if I set it to 4+0. So I'll just show you here now that it will actually load Windows when I do this. So yeah, I'm just going to skip through this part, but it is going to load up Windows here, and it is going to be fine. Now, the reason why it's doing this is because this CPU is made up of there's 2 dies in the chip basically, and there's 4 cores on each die, and basically like I've come to the conclusion that like 4 cores are actually dead on this actual CPU, and it is actually unfixable. But as you can see here, it is usable. I have loaded up games, I've played Fortnite and stuff like that, and it still works fine. I mean, it's just missing 4 cores, so it's not fixable by me, but it's usable but not fixable. So yeah, that's unfortunate. I won't be making a repair video on this because yeah, you wouldn't be able to fix it. So yeah, that's kind of it really. Not sure what I'm looking into in the next video, but I just said I'd update you and let you know how this CPU was going, just in case anybody was wondering, because I did say I'd make an update. So I'll leave it here, and thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.